Unit 27.
Conversation. What does Mrs. Baker do?
She's a housewife.
What does she take care of?
She takes care of the house.
What time does she get up every morning?
She gets up at 6:45 every morning.
What does she do then?
She makes breakfast for her husband and her children.
Who's her husband?
Her husband is Harold Baker.
Who are her children?
Tom and Carol are her children.
Where does her husband work?
He works in the city.
What do the children do?
They attend school. Does she take care of the house or the office?
She takes care of the house.
How does she keep the house?
She keeps the house clean.
Does she buy some of the groceries?
She buys all the groceries.
Does she cook some of the meals?
She cooks all the meals. What time does he get up?
He gets up at 7 o'clock.
What does he do then?
He drinks a cup of coffee.
What time does he leave for work?
He leaves for work at 7:30.
Where does he work?
He works in the city. What time do they leave for school?
They leave for school at 8 o'clock.
How do they go to school?
They take a bus to school.
What time do they get to school?
They get to school at 9:15.
Where do they eat lunch?
They eat lunch at school. Does she eat lunch with someone or alone?
She eats lunch alone.
Where does he eat lunch?
He eats lunch in a restaurant.
Where do they eat lunch?
They eat lunch in the school cafeteria. Where do the Bakers live?
They live in a suburb.
How far is it from a big city?
It's 20 miles from a big city.
Where does Mr. Baker work?
He works in the city.
How does he go to work every day?
He drives to work every day.
What does Mrs. Baker have?
She has a car, too.
What kind of car is it?
It's a station wagon.
What does she use it for?
Sometimes she takes the children to school.
What else does she use it for?
She also uses it to go shopping.
Where does she shop?
She shops in a shopping centre.
Dialogue.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Very well, thanks. I don't know that woman over there.
Oh, that's Mrs. Semple.
Does she live in this neighbourhood?
She just moved in.
Which house does she live in?
She lives in that little house on New Street.
Where does her husband work?
He works in the city.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.